In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send emails through Constant Contact. To begin, sign in to your Constant Contact account and go to the Contacts area. You want to be on the Constant Contacts page, where you can see your full list of contacts and work with individual people. If you have a large list, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct view, because the next steps depend on selecting the right contact. Once you are on the Contacts page, use the search tool to find the specific person you want to email. Type enough of their name or other identifying details so the correct contact appears in the results. When you see the contact you need, look to the left of their name and tick the checkbox next to it. This checkbox is important because it tells Constant Contact exactly who should receive the message. Before moving on, quickly verify that you selected the correct contact, especially if multiple entries look similar. With your contact selected, find the Actions button. Click Actions, and in the menu that opens, choose Send Email. This option starts the sending process using an existing email campaign, which helps you keep your branding and formatting consistent. Next, you will be asked to choose the email campaign you want to send. Select the campaign that matches what you intend to deliver to this contact. Take your time here because the campaign you choose controls the subject line, the content, and any links or images included. After selecting the right campaign, click Continue to move forward. Now you will be on a review screen. This is your final checkpoint before the email goes out. Carefully review the details shown, including the selected contact and the campaign you chose. This quick review helps prevent sending the wrong message to the wrong person. When everything looks correct, click Send Now to send the email immediately. Once you click Send Now, Constant Contact will process the send and your email will be on its way. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.